Igbe.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please jam your hands together for Jesus, please. Thank you. Quickly, my name is Chapilong from Jos. I enter Abuja today. I see the way Abuja gets the Snapchat. It's lovely. You will like it. DJ, play me something now. See the way Abuja gets the Snapchat. When you see Abuja gets the Snapchat, you go wonder, it's something like this. You see something like this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you see my Just Girls, they do Snapchat until you won't want to do it again. Play it, Just Girls. Bring it down. Now, the last joke. Ladies and gentlemen, I come Abuja Club. I see say for Abuja Club here, una they sweat. Some boys they come Abuja Club here with a handkerchief, they dance, they sweat. Now, handkerchief did the hand, they clean up. When you see just boys inside club, they dance, they sweat. Handkerchief did the hand, they no go use them. So what do you go see? Just boys. DJ, let's go. The guy they dance, they sweat, and handkerchief in the hand. See what they do. And the idiots, they sweat. Take it down. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chapilong. God bless you. Good night.
Igbe.